to ask, Mr.
William.
I'm going to ask William about what Uncle Looi Chee Keat does in aeronautical engineering, and William will give us some background as to what the nature of that work is like. William, do you think you can just tell us something about what Uncle Looi Chee Keat does?
Well, basically, he does calibration for company ST Aerospace. So he actually calibrates on jigs every 5 years. So he does building an aircraft. Building of the jigs.
What is so special about this specialty?
The jigs that they build is actually for aircraft alignment. So the jigs has to be accurate so that the aircraft can so-called fly correctly, right?
Okay.
Right? So,
but is this a very highly specialized area?
yes, it is. Definitely. So I worked with him many years already. So he is very particular in certain sense in leveling even the basic level as the scope and everything. He's very particular in that sense. So don't talk about the whole jig. So I've learned a lot from him.
But how many people are there many specialists in this area?
Yes, I know. Boss he's probably the only one here in Singapore that local rep, I would say, only does this here.
I see.
Engaged him because his old company actually built the jig. So he was involved in building that jig.
Okay. So this jig is a helicopter part.
It's two kinds of jig. One is the helicopter tail boom jig, where you put the tail boom inside, you check make sure all the points are correct. The other one is the fuselage, the body of the helicopter. When you put into the jig, you check all the mounting area, critical area are all aligned in the correct position.
But how many people in Singapore can actually do this calibration of the helicopter jig?
So far I know him and another guy Mr Phua. But each one has their own technique.
Mr. Phua does mostly, I think, the scope and everything, not really the jig, but Looi does the jig because he used to be a machinist, so he does fabrication of the whole structure. And there he knows how to do the alignment and everything.
After he calibrates, we have to get the
rep, bell helicopter
original equipment, bell helicopter technical rep, and more come down.
to certify the jig. Yeah. He has to come 1 year. He has to come 1 year before to calibrate the jig first. Then bell rep will come next year to certify what he has done.
Are these jig meant for locally produced helicopters?
No, it's international. As long as I bell helicopter.
So why are the jigs being produced here in Singapore?
Why are they not produced?
Why are they being produced in Singapore? The jigs.
Basically, the Air Force has some fleet of helicopters to support the Air Force.
Oh, I see.
After the Air Force decommission the helicopter, this one more use of commercial helicopter.
Oh, I see. So it's more like to recycle the Air Force helicopters into commercial use.
Yes. Like if in an incident, the thing twisted,
In a way,
put the jig, make sure that it's lying back.
I see. Okay.
Because helicopters have a lot of vibration. All this, the point with the mount is very critical. It has to be exactly
position.
very small
Position.
But Mr. Looi retired from the helicopter jig business, I think a few years back. So where do you all go and
He actually finished the one cycle, clear the whole jig for us. So,
4 years ago. 4 years ago.
so it's good to last another 5 years. Yeah.
Now it's 4 years ago. 4 years ago.
So after that, if you all need it to be redone again, you'll be
I will probably go to the States or whatever to get Ramos to do it.
okay. Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And then mention your uncle also went to Australia to do jig for Langmo also.
Is that for?
I can't remember, but I didn't know that he go to Australia to do something.
He wanted to go to Thailand, remember? And supposed to. He wanted me to go.
Last time had was back in Thailand, so we actually want him to go up and check the jig.
He wanted me to go with him.
I see. Okay.
We were quite close actually. We were quite close.
This guy, he is the one who follow him to learn a trick.
I see. Okay.
I don't know how much he learned.
So next time you'll be you be the specialist in this area, lah.
Not really. No, you have to be actually.
You have to have the hands-on and
You have to be trained. In this field, you have to be trained. You cannot just, you just know somebody and you can just do it. You cannot. In the aircraft industry, you cannot just simply, know somebody and then just be, important. You cannot.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Phua and William, for a most wonderful insight into what my uncle does in his aeronautic engineering profession.